Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best long-range drone.
Starting at number 5.
Autel Evo Nano. The Autel Evo Nano Plus is an amazing mini drone that packs a punch. The 4K RYYB camera with PDAF plus CDAF focus grants you the ability to capture stunning footage from the sky. I've seen some amazing videos shot with this drone, which looks like they were filmed by an expensive camera. The drone also features a 3-axis gimbal and 3-way obstacle avoidance, which means you can fly it with confidence and capture smooth, stable footage. You'll also have plenty of time and space to get the shots you need thanks to its flight time of 28 minutes and a transmission range of 6.25 miles.
Coming at number 4.
Autel Robotics EVO. The Autel EVO Lite Plus has a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 6K HDR camera that captures stunning aerial footage. It can be flown in areas where other drones are restricted because it has no geofencing features. You can fly the drone smoothly and safely with a 3-axis gimbal and 3-way obstacle avoidance. The Autel EVO Lite Plus also has a long flight time of 40 minutes and can fly up to 7.4 miles away from you without losing connection with its remote controller. It also has many other intelligent features such as light f2.8 f11 adjustable aperture, intelligent return, dynamic trackings, sky portrait, HDR mode, defog mode, one-click vlog, and 16x zoom. The drone has been used for various professional purposes such as aerial photography, videography, and surveying. It's also ideal for outdoor activities, such as hiking and camping, as it can capture stunning aerial views of nature.
At number 3.
DJI Mini 3 Pro. What made the DJI Mini 3 Pro stand out is its ability to capture 4K/60 FPS video and 48 MP photos, making it a fantastic choice for content creators who want high-quality footage for their social media channels. Plus, you can capture footage for a long time thanks to its flight time of 34 minutes. But that's not all. Of the DJI Mini 3 Pro also has tri-directional obstacle sensing technology, meaning it can detect obstacles from the front, back, and bottom. This feature is especially useful for beginners who may be nervous about flying and want an added layer of safety. Real-life examples of the DJI Mini 3 Pro in action include capturing stunning vistas, documenting outdoor adventures, and even filming weddings and other events. With a transmission range of 7.45 miles, you'll be able to explore and capture footage from a wide range of distances.
Number 2 of my list.
Autel Evo Nano. First of all, the DJI Air 2S comes equipped with a 3-axis gimbal camera and a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which can capture stunning footage in 5.4K resolution with ease. The drone can also sense objects around it in 4 directions, making it a safe and reliable bet for any looking to rule the skies. You'll have plenty of time to capture all the footage you need thanks to its flight time of 31 minutes. Plus, you can even watch the action live from your phone or tablet while the drone is in the air thanks to its video transmission range of 12 kilometers and video resolution of 1080p. One of my favorite things about the DJI Air 2S is the real-life examples of how it has been used. People have used it to capture breathtaking aerial footage of landscapes, sports events, and even weddings. It's the perfect drone for anyone who wants to capture high-quality footage from the sky.
And number 1.
DJI Mavic 3. Imagine being able to shoot breathtaking aerial views of the mountains, coastlines, or even cities. The DJI Mavic 3 will take you there and give you the ability to capture every detail in stunning 5.1K HD video. One major factor that made the DJI Mavic 3 stand out is its 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. It's no secret that Hasselblad is a well-known brand in the photography industry, and they have brought their expertise to this drone. The camera produces crystal-clear images with amazing color accuracy, even in low-light conditions. This grants you the ability to capture cinematic shots and footage that will leave your audience in awe. What's more, the drone has a 46-minute flight time, which is the longest on our list. This gives you more time in the air to explore and capture footage of your city without having to worry about the drone mid-flight due to low battery. You can also fly with confidence and avoid any obstacles in your path thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.